What's up, Internet? I'm Mike.
And I'm James.
And we'd like to welcome you to Fiction Forge, the show where it's our mission to fan the flames of creativity across the Internet and through the hearts and minds of all you amazing, awesome people out there.
In this show, we'll be paying tribute to the staggeringly creative and innovative things people are doing around the world.
And then we'll try and capture a small part of it for ourselves and hopefully show you how to do the same in the process.
If you love to do things for yourself and create beautiful, useful objects, then this is the place for you.
We'll be looking for the best, most inexpensive materials and the most effective badass techniques to help forge some of our favorite bits of culture and fiction into one-of-a-kind works of art.
Join us on our journey to figure out how to take the sting and fear out of creating objects that truly reflect their owners. We want to make things that we can all love, but to do this we gotta figure out what you love. So do us a favor and let us know, and we'll make it so.
We are building a community for the creative, a sanctuary for the silly, an oasis for the open-minded and an escape for the eccentric. We want you all on board for the journey.
Hello, I'm Tom.
I'm Kiki. Hey, you guys.
I'd like to say to you all a
Yeah,
big
just
it's
wait,
quite
wait.
Tessie.
Okay.
Now, as I was trying to say, I just Tessie, calm down. Come on, I'm trying
No,
to
I
talk
wanna
to
do
the
it.
people.
I'm just
Tessie,
trying to.
I just want to say thanks.